Hi, I'm Matt France. I've made it all the way through the COAs, got up to the technical part of those. I've started writing my high value gift, done one section of that, got to finish that off tonight. Started looking at setting up Facebook accounts and have hit some obstacles there because difficult stuff like my daughter set up an ads account ages ago and linked it to my account. Now I've got to delete that one, don't know how to do it. So just getting a bit into the technical, taking a big deep breath. Got to a point where I was feeling tricky when I get to the technical stuff, but I know I've got to dig deep, get it done. The other part, all of the stuff around ads, I'm kind of looking forward to writing the ads, getting the calls in, but now we're facing the technical side of things, and you did say it would get difficult. That's what it feels like right now.